What men want in a woman. Have you asked yourself this question? Have you searched for the answers to know what men want in a woman? In today's video, I am going to tell you the two most important things every man wants from a woman. But before we begin, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on relationship advice for women, dating, and online dating. If you want a good content like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. You will be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's begin. What are the things that men want in a woman? Because in every relationship or any marriage, men or a man needs things that he expects from his partner to make that marriage or that relationship to be in a perfect state. What are the things? Number one is that every man, I said, every man wants an independent woman. What do I mean by independent woman? An independent woman is a woman that always fend for herself without looking for the help of her husband. So every man wants an independent woman, because with an independent woman, that relationship, that marriage must be successful, because there will be no much nagging, no much complaint from the woman. Most men hate women that complain. Most men hate women that always beg for help in everything. Yes, as a woman, you need to beg for some help from your man, but it is not everything. So as an independent woman, you can be able to carry out some daily activities on your own without seeking the help of your man. So every man wants an independent woman. Number two is that every man likes a caring wife or a caring partner. As a woman, you need to know when your man is angry. You need to know when your man is in need. You need to know when your man wants to talk or wants to meditate. If you are the type that do cares, you will know all these things. And this type of woman is the kind of woman every man hope to catch or to be in love with. So you need to be a caring woman, because caring in a relationship is very vital. It encourages relationship. It also encourages marriage. And caring increases the hope of success in marriage or in a relationship. If you are a woman, learn to be caring, because men do like women that knows how to care for their man. Caring is very important. Every man expects his wife to be a caring wife, because once you are caring, it will help to grow the intimacy between you and your partner. So every man wants a caring partner or a caring wife. Make sure that you are a caring wife or a caring partner to increase the level of love in that relationship. These two things are what men want in every marriage, and these two things are what men actually seek or look for in a woman, and that is the things men want from a woman. I hope you like this content. Make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good content like this. In case you want me to make a good video for you, or you have a question, do well to comment it or to put it down in the comment section below, and make sure that you share this video so that people who need the video will get to know what men want in a woman. Thank you for watching, and thank you